Hey guys, today we're diving into remote.co, one of the many websites claiming to help you find remote jobs from anywhere in the world. But is it actually legit or just another job scam trap? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Remote.co has been around for a while and looks like a legit job boarding offering remote opportunities in areas like customer support, marketing, design, and more. The site feels clean and user friendly, and it doesn't bombard you with sketchy pop ups or weird ads. Now, looking at Trustpilot, Remote.co has a 4.1-star rating, which is pretty solid. Many users say they found real opportunities through the platform and appreciate that the listings are hand screened. That said, some folks pointed out that they never heard back from jobs or that a few listings redirected them to other third party sites. Reddit discussion suggests it's generally considered legit. Just remember that Remote.co doesn't actually hire anyone themselves. They're a middleman linking you to potential employers, so do your due diligence with each listing. Remote.co looks like a legit platform for remote job seekers, especially if you're tired of scammy job boards. Just be smart, research the companies you apply to, and never pay to apply for a job. Hope this helped. If you've landed a gig through Remote.co, drop your experience below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews like this one.